In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a button in Framer. By the end, you'll have a clean, clickable button ready to guide people exactly where you want them to go. First, open Framer and load the project where you want the button to live. Make sure you can see your canvas or the specific frame you're working on so you have a clear spot to place the button. At the top of the interface, click the plus icon to open the Insert panel. This is where Framer keeps pre-built elements you can quickly add. Hover over Utility to reveal components designed for common actions and patterns. From the Utility section, find the element labeled Download. Click and drag it onto your canvas or into the frame you're designing. This component will serve as your button. Place it roughly where you want it to sit in the layout. You can fine-tune alignment and spacing after it's on the page. Look to the left side Layers panel and locate the new layer named Download. Select it so you can edit it. It's a good idea to rename the layer to something descriptive like Primary Button or CTA to keep your project organized. With the button selected, use the right side properties to adjust the label, text, typography, colors, corner radius, and padding. Aim for strong contrast so the button is readable and accessible. If your design uses an 8-point spacing system, match the padding and gaps to keep everything consistent. Now, set what the button does. In the Properties panel, choose Source. This controls where the button takes your visitors. You can link it to another page in your project, a specific section on the current page, or an external URL. If you're offering a file, paste the direct file link here so the click leads straight to the download. Double-check the destination and make sure the label text clearly matches the action like download, get the app, or view pricing. That's it. You've added a functional styled button in Framer, wired to the destination you chose, and ready to guide users through your design.